How to transfer money from Barclays application to another account. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to be able to transfer money from Barclays application to a different account. First, all you have to do is, of course, open up your Barclays application. This is going to be your home screen that should look like. Below that, you should be able to see options like accounts, products, pay and transfer, and help. You just got to choose on pay and transfer. Now, in the next page, you should be seeing two options as to pay or transfer. You can customize or schedule the payment, regular payment calendar, pay in a check, send money abroad, or cash deposit limits, or pay with access code. But for the meantime, let's just choose on transfer. Now, on transfer, you'll be redirected to the page on pay an account. From the from field, just input that specific account holder's information, like the account holder number, and so on and so forth. And then on to, enter the payee's information credentials. Input the specific amount and choose whether it's for a one-time payment or on a scheduled basis payment. The last page is to review your payment details before you choose on send payment and execute transfer. Review all of them so that there will be no problems in the future. And that's pretty much it. That is how you transfer money from Barclays app to another account.